Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday afternoon. Hope everyone's well. Thank you for all the views and the new subs over the weekend. Probably nothing very exciting today. The walk today, just a brief walk, just to get out and show you what Blackpool's like on Monday. I've just got to walk through the town. I've got a few things to get, so I just thought I would come on and say hello. But yeah, I'm glad a lot of you enjoyed the weekend's videos. As I say, there will be more of those to follow as we head in further into spring and April and May. So yeah, it's certainly nice here today. It's not particularly warm. I thought it was going to be warmer than it was, but it's still pleasant anyway. Yeah, going to look nice this. Yeah, I just had to take a phone call there. I don't know where I was. But yeah, I think I mentioned everything anyway. So yeah, just a brief walk. Not for everyone, these sort of walks, but I know a lot of you do like these. So anyway, well, you've seen most of it and it looks nice, doesn't it? I'm going to head into the town now, get a few bits, and then I shall switch it back on again when we get up there. Yeah, it's all very quiet. Yeah, there isn't really much to show you, but I just thought I'd come on and show you Blackpool on a Monday afternoon. When you do the weekend ones and then you come out in the week, it's like the place is completely different. Of course, until we get into the summer, well, Easter will be busy, as I'm continuing to say. But I need to come out, do some walking, and might as well bring the camera out. Somebody will enjoy it. But I mentioned the other day about the post office is now being sold, so it's got planning permission for a hotel now, and they've got a massive grant from Blackpool Council. So yeah, one of the big hotel groups has brought it, so certainly a lot of work to be done, but it's all good, it's all positive, makes the town look better, creates jobs. Yeah, we're just at North tram station now. Just looking at this car park that's being developed, but it seems to be very slow in happening. There's not people here every day. They are doing work and it is getting better. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave this vlog here. Sorry it's nothing very exciting, mainly just to go on the beach, get some fresh air, and say thank you for all the views and the new subscribers over the weekend. And I hope you continue to enjoy the channel, and I shall catch you again very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.